Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the property binding. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Purpose: bind a DOM property to a field in the component class. So here we are going to bind the DOM property to a field, like we have an input field, you can bind it. Okay, so like what are the property? Here we have saying about the property might be your disabled, src, href. Okay, this we are going to make it dynamic, right? So here you can see that the two things I'm going to add it, that is the button disabled and image url. Okay, if I go in my app component or ts, here I'm going to add the two things, button displayed and the image url. Okay, after this I want to bind this property, right? To bind a DOM property to a field. So in the button I want to add a disabled. So how we can add it? The disabled in the square brackets, and this is our variable that we have declared in our component class. Okay, so this is how we have used it. Okay, let's copy this and add into our template file. Okay, so here we have a template file. Let's add it. Okay, so this is our properties, right? Disable is the property of the button, source is the property of image. Okay, so if you want to make it dynamic, so with the help of this we can do that one. Okay, so here I need the image url. Let's use any kind of image url, or images, we can make it up. Just copy this url, I'm going to paste it over here. That's it. Let's save it, run. Here you can see image is coming over here and the button disabled. Here you can see we can't click it. So this is how the property binding work. So bind a DOM property to a field in the component class. So whatever we have in the component class, we are going to bind a DOM property to it. Okay, so these all are the elements that are written into the DOM, right? So we are just binding into the property to a field in the component class. Okay, and the button will be displayed and the source of the image will be dynamically set to the url. Okay, so this is the property binding. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.